insurance policies and what to trade in, what we're looking at. So it's good. It's good to have that community for sure online. Because at night when I got nothing to do and I'm just on the charts, it's good to just tune in.
Hey, that's what it's about, bro. Giving us a place to go where we can all communicate about what we all love to do at this point. Well, good morning, market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, and good morning, YouTube. We're back. It's Monday, April 20th. We're going to try base hitting today, and hopefully you guys are as excited as we are. We had a great traders meetup over the weekend here. So some of the voices on the Zoom call, they may be a little bit more energized today because they got some special sauce that they're going to throw in. They're going to print today. What's up, Iz? Good morning, sir. I'm excited for that vlog to come out because the videographer was with me, so I didn't have to do all the recording. So it's going to come out dialed. That's all I know. It's going to come out dialed for y'all.
So is that the way you're going to start doing your meetups? Possibly?
Which way? Having him with me?
Like, right. Like as far as having a blog as well as the Hangout Live. That was good. That was good.
Yes, I actually enjoyed it that way. Good morning, Tim, because for me personally, it's not that I can't do the recording myself, but
it's a lot.
You're thinking about more than just your topics that you're talking about, right? You're thinking about the camera angles, having to run around, redo that real quick. So having Ronnie with me made it where I didn't have to think of anything recording wise. I got to enjoy the moment with y'all, and that was way better. So I'm gonna try getting him. You know what I'm saying? Like I told him by the end of this year, I want him full time. You know what I'm saying? But then he told me how much he makes where he currently at for videography. I'm like, yeah, okay. I need a couple more payouts. I need a couple more payouts for Ronnie.
You need to do some more copy trading.
I need a lot of copy trading. A lot of copy trading. I would literally need. I'm not a lot of copy. I'm gonna leave it at that. A lot of copy trading. But no, he's a great dude. Like I've known him for quite a while now, and I feel comfortable with him around me. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely. And I was learning some things off of him as well. I was over there picking his brain.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a great dude. Great dude.
For sure. Currently, I'm driving back to Indianapolis. Yeah, so I can't really be on my phone, but I got the mic on. I got the mic tested, so that way I sound crispy.
You are sounding crispy. You are sounding crispy. But no, we appreciate you jumping on with us while you're moving around.
Yeah, I'm looking for the nearest rest area, honestly. Before the market opens, so I can at least jump on something by 9:45.
Yeah. Oh man, I went to the beach yesterday. Yeah, I'm excited because I can see I'm getting skinnier. You know what I'm saying? The rolls weren't rolling as much yesterday. That got your boy excited.
You're gonna be outside.
Oh, 100%, bro. I'm gonna be that one guy with the shirt always off. That's it.
Oh, I can't wait to see November at X Correct.
Oh, bro, what? That's gonna be wild. Wild because it's gonna be all of us. You gotta think. So with our little meetup that we did over the weekend, picture that times like 100. It's gonna be wild. Going to be wild.
Now. That way,
Yeah, I'll actually send you guys the dates probably end of this week. I'll have Brenda reach out to our point of contact out there to get all the final pricing and everything like that. And for everyone that's on YouTube, like, what are they talking about? We are having a big traders meetup in November for the Legacy Wealth Society members, and you guys are invited too. So the reason why I'm doing all these free streams every morning for y'all is because I want to help you guys make money so you can come out to Mexico with us and vibe with like-minded traders that are winning in the markets.
Come on.
And it's my favorite resort too out there, so y'all gonna love it. Once you go that first time, you'll be hooked. You'll be hooked. All right, it is officially, well, getting ready to go on 9:26. Let me give you guys where all the stuff is. Alrighty, so right now the 21 EMA is sitting at 767.5. This is the Nasdaq futures. Looking on my TradingView 2-minute chart here, 767.5. That's the 21 EMA. The VWAP sitting at 679.75. 679.75. That's the VWAP. Then we got this pivot in between the VWAP and the 21 EMA at 722. 722. Then we got the close from Friday. The close from Friday up there at 847.5. 847.5. So with that being said, let's see where's the next pivot above us. All right, so we got a pivot all the way up there at 27,003. Ooh, that'd be crazy if we hit that. Hey, what's up, Rob? Good morning, sir. Glad you're already up, bro. Bro, if you're already up, market hasn't even opened yet. Do you even want to still trade? Lock that profit in, bro. Come back tomorrow, do it all over again. That's how you can consistently get payouts, consistently get funded. It's just walking away, coming back the next day ready to do another base hit. Hey, Rob, okay, if you're going to chill with us, cool, but don't trade anymore, bro. Unless you see an A++++ setup, I would not be trying to execute any trades. Since you're already up for the day, why?
What's good, Steve?
What happening?
Hey, Ladarian, aka Steve. Ladarian. There we go. Good morning,
Man,
sir.
My weekend was explosive, but I wanted to be in one place and I wasn't there, so I'm sorry about that.
You're good. You'll probably hear from the boys. You won't hear from me. We missed you. We missed you because
All it was. We wanted to see Jive Turkey live.
Live. We was live. Where is he? Where's John?
I'm so happy that all you were able to get together, man. You know what I mean? It's
not the first.
I know.
It's not
I
the
know
first.
there'll be a lot of opportunities. So
Right.
yeah, definitely not the last meetup ever.
Right.
That's for sure.
no, I went out. I'm gonna go stop by Big G's house in about 11:30 today. No, I'm just kidding.
Pull up.
Full of foam, man.
Let's see.
Like everybody, like the crew, man. We're so tight out here. It's awesome, man. I appreciate everybody. I mean that.
We appreciate you, man.
In my overnight stuff, I traded 2 accounts and got. Let me see. It was the first thing I did Sims, but I did 990 and 325. Dig it.
Love it.
Can
Love
I get
it.
an amen or what?
No, Moose just sent me a message as well. I was reading both. But no, that's solid. Like, I'm glad you found that the overnights have been working pretty well for you.
Well, it's like, and the only reason I didn't trade my main accounts is coming in like the first trade of the week. It just, it's kind of, the session's kind of aimless, but I wasn't going to risk my vetted money, but.
Do what's working. That's all I know. Once you find as a trader something that works for you, just keep doing that one thing. Because everyone feels, oh, I need to change. No. If it's working, don't change jack diddly. Okay? Yeah, your boy said jack diddly. Don't change a thing if it's working for you. because that's why traders get messed up in the markets. There's market open. There's market open. We have no real news today. So today's going to be no news Monday for the most part.
Sideways.
Yeah, I'm sitting on the sidelines. I'm only trading 4 accounts today. I got my PA accounts on the sidelines today because I told myself I'm going to focus on getting fully funded with the firms I'm trading with. So that way I can really go crazy in May.
Just lay it into them, right?
Pretty much. Pretty much. So I already secured enough payouts for me this month where I'm chilling. So I'm like, let me just focus on getting more fundeds with like Lucid and Tradeify and even Apex. So that way I can really make them feel me next month.
They're going to be like, what happened?
They're like, where did this guy come from?
The enforcer is back in town.
And Apex want to hate me. I know that.
Hey, by the way, Big G, did they Apex finally like get around?
They paid me. Yeah, I got it.
I like they say, man, why you in a hurry for your money, sucker? I'm gonna hold on to it right up good days.
Yep. So my Apex accounts, I'm actually going to slow walk those till the end of May. I'm gonna slow walk those accounts because it's 11 accounts, 11 PAs. And I'm like, if I just take one payout of the 1,500 on that, on all 11 accounts, that's over $16,000. So
Hey,
that's fine with me.
So fellas, now that you're both like looking at it and stuff, and I don't know if Carmona has or anybody else, but those new rules, is there any hidden things? I know the minimum trade day was $250. They got rid of that weird rule, but everything else is pretty much on parity with the other stuff, right?
Yeah, they don't have any more hidden rules or anything like that. The only thing that I don't like is the activation fee. And that they're still slow for the payouts.
Yeah, well,
so
that actually kind of shocked me a little bit because, like, you think that it's kind of like friendly competition. They move it up a little,
but well, the whole thing, not talking bad about Apex. One thing that prop firms do, I'm gonna make this very generic. Certain prop firms, not Lucid or Tradeify or Take Profit Trader, but certain prop firms, try slow walking the payout so you'll blow up. We're like if G didn't, not saying G was going to blow up his account, but say he's continued to trade his account.
Like if G was on his own and he was not a member of like Legacy, so he didn't say, "Hey man, I got it. Let me just lock it in." Then he would have an opportunity to blow that account. But since he's got the Legacy edge.
Yep. Where they think just because the payout was approved that is secured. No. Until they pull the money out of your funded account, it's not secured yet.
Well,
so
but see, G's hip to that, man. He's just like, hey, give me that stack and I'll take some more.
No, 100%. But like I told you, I'm like, don't trade that account till you get that money because you don't want nothing happening and then you losing that payout.
Yeah, just get another eval. Well, this thing is moving so fast, I think I'm going to go take a nap.
Good job, Rob. Rob, all right, bro. Be careful. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, fam. You already hit it. Mr. Mooser, good morning.
What's going on? Good morning.
Man, you sound like you had a long weekend, brother.
Yeah.
He was out dancing until 4 in the morning, but he thought it was 3. So.
I had fun. I hit golf balls I thought I'd never be able to hit. And then listen, I got home that day at like at 4:30 in the morning.
You went back to that party?
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend the vampire.
I'm excited to see how that video comes out because Ronnie was behind the camera. And I want to see how he did. I know it's going to come out fire because he showed me in the car before meeting up with you guys. he recorded me driving. He asked me a question, so I answered it for him on camera. And he showed me how crispy the footage. Oh boys, YouTube ain't ready for us because his rig. So like I thought I was doing something. Like I have a $3,500 Canon that I do for like photography. I can record on it, super sharp. But my streaming camera, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Because I travel, I just love the gimbal, everything like that. No, my dog, Ronnie, he has the full set. His rig was like $14,000. Like one of the guys at the meetup asked, "Oh, like how much is this?" He's like, just that lens that you're looking on that camera is $7,000." Okay, yeah, there's levels to this. There's levels to this. Morning Niner, what's up, brother? Hey, you will be invited to the next one. Don't be afraid. I'll let you know when the next one's coming because those boys are trying to run my pockets at Top Golf. You know, they just kept eating. They kept drinking.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Hey, there's levels to this.
I need like 8 payouts to cover what they did to me on the weekend. No, I'm playing.
Thank God you didn't open a tab on me, motherfucker.
I don't drink, Rob, but people may have had some extra beverages, everything like that, and food and all that.
I was talking about water. I want to get that sparkly stuff in the glass.
Yeah, I was drinking some sparkling water myself. Right now, this market is not really moving.
Boy,
No.
for an opening range, this is like I can't believe it. Like my mind is kind of like drifting to like waiting for Asia to open or something.
No news Monday.
Yep, no news Monday. Like, if this is how the price action is going to be for I'm not going to take a trade. Like, no reason to risk anything if it ain't moving.
I mean, look at this momentum, Duane.
Are we looking at the same screen? What momentum? And hopefully for G and Carmona and Moose, from the extra sauce that was given, even the people that listened on the stream on Saturday, hopefully you guys use what we discussed on that live to hit some base hits today.
Definitely, I gotta find a rest area and set up that wrinkle bar, bro. 'Cause that's a major.
Oh yeah. And it's
That's
like,
a major.
And the one that Duane has, that's the main one. Because when we first started, it was like hard to like coordinate through all this stuff. But it's that Ninja Renko 8.4. That's your secret sauce if you're using Ninja.
Yeah, the Ninja 8.4.
It's Ninja Renko, NINZARENKO 8/4.
Okay.
I had some that were just like that. You know what I mean? They're close but no cigar, and it was just like, it was such a great thing to actually have the real ones. They're like totally up my game.
The real deal. The real deal.
Because I mean, the ones that you have the it has a little wick, so it gives you a little extra thing. So.
Yep, the wicks are a hack with Renko bars.
The wick gives me like like a half second more. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And you can kind of read that momentum better. So, speaking of momentum, oh my goodness, are you holding on to your seat?
Not really.
God, he's just like whatever.
What's up, JB? Yes, this is the Nasdaq, brother. This is the Nasdaq. Good morning, sir. We're just waiting right now. I wait the first 15 minutes of the open before I start executing trades. It's a rule I gave myself, and it simply works for me. May not be what you wanted, but for me, it works.
I remember because you there's a couple of times where you said, I'll recheck this rule because always evolving, and then like you'd say you'd hit and you'd miss, but you found your overall trading was down when you would trade in the 15, because it's like if you took a trade that hit, it would throw off your day. So
Yep.
I feel like if you trade within the first 15 minutes, you're impatiently greedy.
I wouldn't say impatiently greedy, because normally in the first 15 minutes there's more volume, right? Since market just opened. But that volume sometimes isn't good. Like, it gets you want to click the button because you see the stuff moving, but it's hard for you time the entries the same way, because the volume sometimes can be very sporadic, where it'll do a quick drop down, quick pop up, another drop down. You can't plan for that.
it was like last night. It was doing some little crazy candles once in a while. Like before I jumped in, it'd just be like a boom, and it's like, okay, what caused that? You know what I mean?
No, I hate sporadicness
Well,
in the
there was
market.
a couple of them where I almost like took the screenshot for you, because it was like it was like the wick went in both directions, like so wherever you were at,
You got hit.
Yeah, you got hit. Unless you're trading like micros on like a 50K account, but still you'd be like, okay, I just took a $400 hit on a micro. It's just like, it's insane.
I got less than 4 minutes to be cleared to trade here. We are below the 21 EMA currently. Want to see if we start building out a little flaggy flag. That would kind of get me slightly excited.
Are you where is your 21, if you don't mind me asking?
My 21 EMA is currently sitting at 76825. 76825. Oh, now just went up 76950 now. 76950 as since that 21 EMA is always moving when the price is moving. There's a little bear flag trying to print right there as well.
I'm at 6764, so we're kind of like, we're sharing a cul-de-sac. So that's good.
JB, you're in a long, bro?
What?
Jesus, fam. All right, from your lips to God's ears, bro. Be careful. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm already.
Fighting the market. We fighting it now.
Yeah, that's like watching like a Rocky Balboa like fight on the movie.
Well, he's currently green technically. His entry was 571. He must be like swing trading or something.
Yeah. No, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, so he's currently.
I don't know, like when I have these bigger trades that are going long and it hits like a certain point, I'll just close it. You know what I mean? If I walk by and it's like, okay, it's there, I'll take it. I'll take it, and if I feel like I want to re-enter, I will. But I just protect that capital.
Yep, that's what it's about. Protecting capital. Yeah, no, you're in the green, so you're risk free now. More power to you, because I'm not sitting in that long for me personally. Let's see if we build maybe a little bear flag here. We got these wicks on these candles. Yeah, it's not, Steven. For me, it's just too long for me. Too long for me. I like getting in the market and out of the market as quickly as possible, because you never know when the market's going to turn.
Yeah, honestly, I feel like you can make more money scalp trading than sitting in a trade waiting for it to hit a certain mark.
No, like I feel you on that. I watched a guy on TikTok. It was like a short or something like that. He was green $3,500, and he didn't close out. Right? I'm like, bro, and I'm just like praying during the video. Like, please, bro, just lock in the profit. Lock in. Tell me how this man got $200.
Oh.
Yep.
But I mean, like
Listen,
was saying, it was.
Hey, green is green.
Yeah,
Nah.
Could have had 35. 35 from 2? Shit.
Hey, the only way you can be positive,
if it's up there
the
that
only
much,
way you
I'm
can be
taking.
positive is that with mentality.
Yeah, but I'm sorry. I'm not. If I'm up 3,500 on a trade, I'm closing out. I'm not trying to see if we're going more.
I don't know how I got up there without me closing it sooner.
All right, looks like we may be trying to build some structure here. We do have those bottom wicks on these candles, so
Wait, don't short into the wicks.
yep, don't short into the wicks. It is 9:45 as well. Less than 30 seconds for this 15-minute range to be fully completed. Let me give you the high. The high of the range, 827.75. 827.75 is the high of the 15-minute range. And the low of the range is 733. 733 is the low of the 15-minute range for today. And we're getting ready. Less than 10 seconds for this range to be fully completed. We'll be able to execute some trades if we get some good momentum. And flaggy flag.
That wrinkle indicator.
Ninza, Ninza, Rinko, 84.
And I know you also have that one in the group because somebody was asking about it. So.
Ninja.
Come on, Betsy.
Oh, we in a trade?
No, not yet.
You in a trade?
I'm trying to see if this is going to give us a bear flag here or not.
Well, come on, Betsy.
Because I'm clear to trade. I'm watching my yellow line here. I'll actually pull that down just slightly.
Yeah, pull that down slightly. You don't need to be a hero today.
Yep. No hero plays today. No hero plays today.
Because I'm seeing some pretty bad wicks on those previous candles, so you were getting some.
Oh, Dwayne's in. That's why he's quiet.
I am in, but this wick came right back on me.
Yeah, dude.
I was calling out the wicks, D-Bob.
You did. We broke below the yellow line. I thought we were going to have more little follow through on it.
Yeah, but I'm just looking at the cumulative wicks that we have there. It's gotta get a burst to get through that.
Come on, Betsy.
You don't gotta worry about mega or micro scalping today.
You gonna buy or sell?
I'm going to sell, but I may get ready to kill this if we don't get the flush here.
Going down.
Come down a little bit. Nothing much. I think we come up here. Come down a little bit. Yeah.
670 on two accounts right there. I'll take that. We came down, tapped that pivot, closed out right when we tapped it for security reasons. There.
So didn't you say you owned a security company? That's kind of fortuitous.
All right, let me rotate to the next account.
I need to find my lieutenant bars so I can show them to you.
Yeah, I'm just double checking, make sure that was copy trade. Oh, it copied perfectly. We will take that. We did break out that 15-minute range. I want us to pull back into that range now. Niner, you're good, bro. You're good. All right, there we go. We're back in that low of the 15-minute range there. That's what I want to see. It's like 10% of the time if we break out the range that we never come back and tap it. Like within the first couple candles of breaking out. So we just came back to it. That's what I want to see. I'm going to move this line right here. I will not be taking it short until we get below that pivot. We get below that pivot point, which is sitting right at 722 area. I'll be targeting the VWAP down at 703. If we get below that pivot. What's up, BP? Good morning, sir.
There he is.
The man, the myth, the legends officially in the chat. Just waiting to see how we're going to react here. For me personally, I would not be taking it long unless we get above that 21 EMA. Bro, BP, what are you doing, bro? Go back to bed. He said he went to bed 4 hours ago. No, that's horrible, bro.
No, that's just BP. I mean, you know, the man is like, he's just kicking it at all hours. Like, between him and Moose, it's like the night is a playground.
Oh, I'm a night person as well, but
You don't
not no more. Not like that.
You guys are hardcore.
Like, see, I was always a night person when I was like binge watching like TV shows in the comfort of my own house on my couch, binge watching Game of Thrones back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. I wasn't out partying or anything like that. I'm just like probably eating too much, watching TV shows.
I'm good for the next 2 weeks, though.
He says that, and then he's going to come on the stream later this week. Yeah, I was out with this girl. I didn't realize it was 5 o'clock until I looked at my watch. You know, like.
Yeah, that happened to me the other day.
That's why I'm saying it, bro. All right, so we're above that 21 EMA. Ooh. All right, decisions here. I'm gonna have to wait for a bull flag to get printed. I need a flag. It's a no news Monday, so I need some flags with some decent momentum to get me to get excited. But since we already broke out the low of the 15-minute range and now we popped back up above that 21, I would expect us to potentially go up and test the high of this range.
Yeah, because if we get any further, we don't want to canoodle in the moodle.
Yeah, we don't want to diddle in the middle. Do not diddle in the middle, folks. It's bad for business. Trust me, I've done it too many times to know. It's a place where you get chopped up. And it's not fun. Trust me, it's not fun whatsoever.
6.5 minutes until that 10 o'clock hour as well.
Good call out. Good call out. We're starting to get a little selling wick here on this 2-minute candle. Not sure how I feel about it. Up over $1,300 today so far. And we're just waiting, anticipating. Market, what are you trying? All right. Back above that 21. Getting ready to get to that middle of the 15-minute range. Like, I'm so mad at myself. I'm not mad at myself, but I told myself if we broke above that 21 EMA, I want to take the long. I didn't take it.
Yeah, but you like to, Duane would like to see a flag, okay? You don't like it, but that's your rule. And you just don't jump in willy-nilly. People aren't coming here to see you just run in circles and claim to be have a system. So
You right.
He's so serious right now. He's like,
You right.
And when the next flag comes and you clean up, then you can do your little victory dance.
That is true. That is true. We're waiting. We're waiting for that bull flag. Let's see if we get a bull flag here on that 5 minute. Good morning. Yes, this is the Nasdaq futures. Good morning. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Welcome to the Legacy Wealth Society morning stream with the market makers of the community. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets, printing money with us, and enjoying the vibe. Welcome.
Good job, Steve. Keeping his head in the game.
Yeah, that's it. Because he's starting to wander a little bit, and we don't need that. We need him to be like sharp.
That's like, okay, funny that you said that way, Steve, right? That my mind, I started wandering, right? So with Ronnie, that's what I appreciate about him. He kept me on track because he'll hold the phone up like, hey, go to the next point, keep it moving, like trying to keep me on time. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Because he's a production expert.
Yes.
So definitely, y'all help me just as much as I help y'all. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, iron sharpens iron, man.
Yep, that's why I love the community, man. For real.
I mean, I am not like I don't follow anybody else like online or whatever. You know, I mean, I'll watch stuff, but like in terms of trading, you know, I'll catch stuff here or there, and then I'll do some studies that people have showed me, but. I mean, the consistency, like where I put my sword is right here, like where I stand, if that makes sense.
Yep. Yeah, I appreciate you guys trusting in me because we started this thing less than a year ago and we got over 325 members. Like, and I was only hoping for like 100 members. We did 325 in less than a year. Straight craziness.
Yes.
Man, I'm looking at this. I'm like, dang, I should have taken that long when I felt it. Have a good one, Niner.
Are we gonna go in circles?
Hindsight is always 2020.
I saw it before though, bro. I saw it before. That's the thing. Yeah, I called it. I'm like, hey, we break above this 21 EMA. I feel like we're gonna go retest the high of this 15-minute range.
Put your trade where your mouth is and jump in now. You don't want to be in
No, I've already missed the short move I would want.
And if it was just going sideways at that point, you wouldn't have been as happy with yourself. You know, like Carmelo X really said, it's easy to look and said, man, if I only would have jumped in there, I wouldn't have to work for 2 weeks on that trade. But the thing is, that's not real.
Yeah, you right. Y'all right.
Damn, dude, tough love, mother.
So we came up to that overnight high, which was 803. That whole number right there as well. Glad my eyes just peeped that whole number. That would have been awkward. Let me move that line up. We get through that 800 level with some speed and momentum. I'll probably take this bull flag here.
Yeah, you better take it because you seem like you're very antsy today. Like the Duane that I know usually has a little more like in reserve. He's like, you're ready to click. Go buy something from Amazon. It'll be cheaper than a bad trade.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily because my son, he's like, Dad, my 5-year-old son, he's like, Dad, you know what I think would be really cool and you should get me up. I'm like, what, son? He's like, a sea scooter. I'm like, a what?
Oh, wow.
What?
He's like, a sea scooter, Dad. You could put in the water, put in the pool, put in the ocean, and it whips you around. I think
it has a little props on it. You kind of like the divers hold on to it or whatever.
Yep. I looked it up. I pulled it up. The first one was like $3,000. I'm like, son, get out of here. Yep. You 5 years old. How you looking at $3,000 items? I'm like, Dad, I think this would be really good.
He's like, Mommy be looking at $3,000 items. I thought that was in the budget.
Yeah, you just gotta take him somewhere and rent that stuff.
Yeah. So he hit me with that one. Then yesterday at the beach, he was like, Dad, when are we going to get a full-time chef? Yeah, I was dying laughing. I'm like, son, that's when I know you're just spoiled, bro.
He's gonna have the hat on and stuff. I am your friend, chef. Sacre bleu.
No, me and Brendan, we were talking because for the month of May, I'm going for a massive payout on multiple firms. And I'm like, so baby, when we get this massive payout in May, like what you want to do with it? You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be a nice chunk of change. She's like, maybe we get like a full-time cleaner. I'm like, oh, you want a full-time cleaner or a full-time chef? You know what I'm saying? I rather the full-time chef than a full-time cleaner personally.
Thanks.
He's, oh, the cleaner. I'm like, oh, we'll figure it out. And left it at that because nothing would beat having a full-time chef where I don't have to.
Full-time cleaner.
Huh?
Nothing will be having a full-time chef and a full-time cleaner.
Yeah, but I don't want her having to think about what's for dinner, everything like that, because you asked her, she's like, I don't know what you want. I don't know. And it's that whole back and forth. Get a full-time chef. You don't got to think about that no more. They just prepare a meal for you. Alrighty, getting this little pull back here. Here comes the 21 EMA below us. You helped me. I went from profitable to unprofitable because I have to trade. And the pressure's killing my trading. That much better. What's up? Steven, are you trading personal funds or prop accounts, bro? Let me know in the chat. I'm gonna take care of you right here, sir. It's your lucky day. We're gonna help you get dialed right here, right now. But I need to know props or personal. All right, we're below that 21 EMA. So for me, that will negate any type of bull play right there. Let's see if we were able to get some type of flag to build out down here. We got, yeah, bulls are trying to step in pretty hard. Not bulls, bears, I meant. Bears are trying to step in. Bulls don't want to drop it, though, which is understandable.
Your earlier mention is true. I mean, I could see that wick, so the bulls are still showing up.
Come on, Betsy. A little bit of selling pressure, but I didn't like how the bears pushed it down aggressively, but the bulls caught it. So that's why I didn't just like jump in on anything, because we want clean and clear momentum.
Yes.
That's the trick of the game. You want clean and clear. You don't want to be guessing.
We ain't guessing.
All right, there's that selling pressure. Yeah, this is about, we break that yellow line, I may take the short. This is the Nasdaq. Welcome. This is the Nasdaq futures.
That's like your rap name,
The Nasdaq. The Nasdaq.
Motherfucking NQ, what you gonna do?
I'm debating if this weekend I slide over in Mexico, go see our doctor.
So yeah, is that still acting up?
I got a little bit more range of motion. I did get a little bit more range of motion, but now I have a small baby bruise on the side of my chest.
Bro, go to Mexico. Get that checked out.
And then bring me back some tequila.
Some tequila. All right, we're coming down to my yellow line. I'm waiting here. are we gonna get the momentum? I hate these little buying wicks right now.
I mean, it just, if you look at it, like on the 2-minute, it's got a wick on both sides. So it's like, it's very inconclusive. But then when it breaks, then Duane celebrates. This is when the money is made, right here, because we're sitting there, we're waiting.
Yep. Well, I already did $1,300, so I already hit the 1,000 for the day, keeping the bills away.
It's a big baller. Everybody knows.
Everyone. Now we're just waiting. Let's see. Like, honestly, Steven, honestly, how much money are you trading with in your personal account? Rob, you still trading, bro? You better not be trading, Rob. Like, I will come over there at Clearwater and we'll talk in person. Don't play with me, bro. Lock in your profit, fam. Okay, no, I'm just, all right. I was about to check my dog if you're still in the markets, fam. Lock that G in, keep it moving. There's advice for any company in Nasdaq. Honestly, when trading the Nasdaq futures, you don't really need advice from the companies that we're trading for, I guess. You just want to watch how the market's moving for the day. Hey, let's go, Iz. Good job, bro. Locked in 950. Love to see it. Love to see it. No news Monday. It's a no news Monday. About $1,000. Okay. Honestly, if you only got $1,000 that you're trading with, how do I put this? I always recommend trading with prop firms. So I would take that $1,000 out, take $200 of it, get 2 prop accounts, and base it so that way you're no longer risking your last $1,000. You're risking $200 and you still got $800 for your pocket. What's up, Motion? Good morning, sir.
Honestly, I wouldn't trade my own money until I had like 25,000 that I necessarily didn't need. Then I wouldn't mind being live in the market. But if I don't have that, I'd rather figure out this prop firm trading thing, because it's definitely, you can get 10 times what you put in. All you gotta do is master a strategy.
Yep, 100%. And like Rob just said in the chat, yeah, but if he's not consistent, then it's not going to matter. Facts.
Exactly.
But if he's not consistent, he's no longer risking $1,000. He's risking $200. Right. I'd rather risk 200 than 1,000. Yep. Just saying.
Yeah, and I was reading up on the rules, and I think it's like after you get like 5 payouts, I think they actually give you a live account. I believe with Lucid, they give you like a live account with like 2,000. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I was reading up on. Like after 5 payouts, you get granted a live account with like 2,000 in it.
Okay. I haven't looked at Lucid's live program. Come on, drop it for me, Betsy.
You get enough payouts, you'll be introduced to it.
That what just got me there. Let's see. I may just kill this. I don't like that buying wick that stepped in hard like that.
We got 22 seconds on that one, and then maybe it'll be like the gravity that'll drop it. So.
We're above that 21 too. Yeah, this is getting killed. This is going to be the flush. It's looking heavy, but I want the full flush here.
You got 15 seconds on this candle.
Thank you, Steve. Oh, someone just took a trade. I heard that.
Right now, this looks choppy.
The flush.
Who's in the trade right now?
It's plain. I'm in.
Are you in a buy?
I'm in a short. I'm in a short.
Check.
I closed it. We got this push back up like that. I don't like that. So I closed that because look at that buying wick on that 5-minute candle there. Not feeling that.
You closed right on time.
We didn't get that full flush. I'm like, I'd rather clean up the 700 than be out over $1,000. So. Back below this 21 EMA here. Market's going sideways right now, so that's not the action we like.
In the 2-minute, it looked like a reversal candle friendly.
Yeah, the 2-minute. Look, we got one more song on this. I'm gonna change it real quick. Sorry to hear that, Warrior. Yeah, I'm not a fan of how this is looking.
All those wicks stopped around the same level, had resistance around the same level.
Yep. Emotion, we have broken out the 15 already today, but we came back in. Like right now, we're just real tight going sideways. So we gotta wait. That was scary. Come on, Betsy. Let's break through that yellow line on my 2-minute chart. We're through on the 5-minute. I want us to break the one on the 2-minute for me. JB, I feel you on that, bro. From consolidation, the move happens. We got some selling pressure trying right there on that 2-minute candle, but I need some clean momentum. What's up, Yaz? Yeah, slightly chopping, slightly chopping.
Hey, Duane, when you make your lines, do you make them at a certain degree angle, or you make them like based off the wicks?
So it varies, right? So I did just clean up a little bit there. I don't know how. I only got, that's weird, whatever. But 300 on that, it was supposed to be 400. $100 slippage, that's crazy. So we had this, like, if you're looking at my 2-minute right now, Jose, I put it straight across because that was the line that we've been like bouncing up at, right? So I put it right below the bottom wicks of some of those previous candles. And I'm like, okay, if we broke it, then I'm gonna jump in on it. You know what I'm saying? Because that shows there's no more buying pressure there.
Yeah,
but
so
for like
when it hits that line, you want to see the wrinkles also go red constantly.
Yeah, we want the follow through.
I'm getting what you're putting down.
And then like for the flags, that's when I have them angled. The line's angled. And it's the same thing. I want to see the follow through the line to execute the trade.
Okay.
We got the VWAP sitting at 714 area. So now, like I said earlier, I want us to get below this pivot point for the short. I don't want to take a short above the pivot. I want to get below that pivot point to take a short. So yes, we are below that pivot slightly, but we got to make sure we get the follow through, because around those pivots, the price likes to sometimes like hover around that pivot. I don't want to take a trade there.
The buoyancy is insane.
Yep. What type of move was that?
I got a question. When you see it like this, would you, by any chance, do you at any time look at like the daily chart and look like what it was looking at yesterday?
I have on my trading view chart Oh, like yesterday's high and low, everything like that. I'm getting ready to close this out. I don't like how this market's moving right here. Let's see if we retest it. If not, I'm closing this. It's moving too sporadic for me. I took a shot in the dark.
Hey, so Carmona, like sometimes I'll like look at the higher time frames and draw like a line on the level. It looks like there's like a liquidity grab or a zone, and just kind of see if it matches up. Because sometimes that'll give me a clue where it's gonna, where it's gonna rebound. So I do that a lot, especially like after hours, since you're kind of like looking for different setups. But that's helped me many times.
Yeah, like you put a line where in the higher time frames where there's a lot of some support or resistance.
Yeah, exactly. So and then like I'll reverse engineer it. So I'll put that level on like the 2 minute or the 5 minute, and it's like, okay, yeah, there's obviously somebody up there that's got their there's like put some pressure on.
You want to say that it's going down. The trend line is showing that it's gonna go down, but the way the market's moving, it's like I don't even want to jump in on it.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this. I took a stab, and then we had instant volume, which was weird.
Well,
I guess that's for everybody.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minute, and it's kind of, like along the lines of what we're just saying. There's that resistance in the bottom of the orb, so that opening range, it's not breaking out.
I think I'm just gonna go work out.
Yeah, just do what the market's doing in the gym. Go up and down, up and down.
Up and down, up and down.
That's a good one. Hey, question.
Yep.
For Apex, right?
Yeah.
You say you do you do the funded and then the what is it called? Not the funded. What is that called? You do the pre-funded or whatever it's called, and then you
eval.
Yeah, you have to do the eval, but there will be an activation fee once you pass it.
Okay.
But it was like really insanely cheap, right? You said it was like $15 or something.
$34.
The evals are like 34 depending on what size you get, but then the activation will be like 100. So
42 million. Yeah, but it's worth it though. If you think about it, right? Every time with Tradeify, you pay it up front all at once. It comes out to almost the same thing. Got it. It asked me for my Tradeify account. I put it in, but it said no. It's not that it doesn't match.
But no, where did it ask you for your Tradeify account?
When you sign up, it says Tradeify Apex Trading Funding. It says if you already have an account on our website, please log in to continue.
No. So for your Tradeify, you've been using the Tradeify credentials, correct?
Yes.
That won't work. So you have to sign up like you have nothing with Apex.
Got it.
Who have nothing.
Okay. Like you have nothing. You're absolutely right. Got it.
We're above this 21 EMA once again. I don't know. Uh-oh. What happened, Moose?
I said my email's gonna match, but I missed a letter. I can't type my own last name.
Next, tonight, come home by 3:30. All right.
Yeah.
Come home by 3:30.
Come home a little early.
Yeah, right now we're literally just going sideways. So I'm hands off at this point. Let me check that actually.
Yeah, look at that 5 minute. That tells the tale right there.
So on that 2 minute, we had a little bull flag print right above that 21 EMA. I just don't like how we're just in this like area right now. Got some selling pressure. Yeah, this is chopping. This is chopping. Like,
Selling pressure. It's like the way he said that, man. Selling pressure.
He's annoyed.
I'm not annoyed. It's like I want to do something. BP 100%, bro. Straight chopping.
Straight chopping.
Hopefully tomorrow we get a little bit better movement. Hopefully we're going to have to see. Tonight we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you guys tune in and come hang out with us. It's always a good time. Alrighty.
Do you have a code for this?
Huh? No. Do save now.
Capital letters?
Yes.
Hey D, what Mick got you doing today?
No clue. But right now we're just doing like cardio stuff. Since I can't lift with my arm.
So you gonna get shredded.
Pretty much. But it's weird because even with the cardio that we're doing, it's not comfortable for when the chest is going up and slamming down when running. So he has me doing like lateral movements, everything like that.
We got to get some tires. You could run through them like football style.
Yeah. But that would hurt somewhat.
Well, you just have to be. You got to be like Muhammad Ali, like light on your feet all the time.
Do you ever put like icy hot or Tiger's Balm on it?
I haven't. I've just been icing every night with my ice machine.
No, that's good enough.
So we're coming back down to this pivot. I'm not trusting it at this point because I took a trade right below that pivot and got chopped. So
But you know what they say, third time's a charm.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Yeah, just fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice.
Maybe if we get below that VWAP at the 715, maybe then I'll take a short.
Yeah, because then you're like revitalized, man. Like you're like a revitalized Dwayne.
Yeah, let's see if we
I'm
get
just
below.
waiting for G to pop in and be like 1200.
Yeah, he just drops a number. That's what I love about it. There's no context. Like 2450.
Yup.
We'll be like, the VWAP is at, that's 1400 on that trade.
Yeah.
There's a pivot. Not touching that. Let's get below that VWAP.
Let's do the VWAP.
There's the VWAP right there. Let's see how we react. Straight back above the pivot.
I mean, it's coming out of that one zone, so we got to watch now.
Look at that wick on that 5 minute. Tons of buying pressure down there. Back into the 15-minute range as well. Yeah, no, I may be done taking trades a day. This thing's just chopping.
Dwayne wants to see a flag, and guess what's on the 2 minute? A flag. So don't believe him yet.
I'm not taking that. We're above the pivot. We're above the VWAP.
I understand, but it could be the driver of the momentum that gets us past the VWAP, and then you re-energize.
We'll see. We'll see.
Like I said, third time's a charm. Third time hitting that pivot.
Yep, take your money, JB, and run, fam. Don't give it back to the market. Right now, we gotta get below that VWAP. This is not comfortable looking at it or anything like that.
Yeah, candle needs to close out of the bottom of the 15-minute range. Is part of it.
Well, right now we got 45 seconds left on this candle, 2 minute candle. Still above this pivot and above that VWAP. The VWAP's slowly creeping up closer and closer to that pivot.
We got a minute and 15 seconds on the 5 minute candle, which can also give us some more gravitas.
Yep. Enjoy your workout, Rob. Here comes that VWAP.
Momentum.
We need something. All right, we're through that VWAP.
Here it comes, bounce back. Jeez. Come on, Betsy.
Yeah, this is slow right now, bro. It's chopping.
Hey, Dwayne, I sent you a picture.
Okay. Take a look at it here in a second. Ule, what's up, brother? back to that pivot. Yeah, no. That pivot in VWAP I ain't feeling right now.
Well, it's a no man's land right now.
There's a VWAP. JB, this is a no news Monday, bro. This is what we get. I know, bro. It's been a minute, Ule. Glad you're doing well, bro. I'm doing great as well. Living the dream. Living the dream. Just another little bear flag right there, trying to. But we're right here on that, close to that pivot. That's why I'm like, ugh. There's the VWAP.
I feel like it's about to break past. That green candle is right at the pivot, and it's tiny. It's smaller than all the other.
We're below that VWAP now, but now we're above it. Yeah, no.
We're below. We're getting the flow.
Bears want to take it down, but we got too much going on in this small little area right here between the VWAP and that pivot. Too much acting as support right now. Back into the 15-minute range there. Come on, Betsy.
There's a battle going on right here.
Yeah, that there is. Giving us a little bear flag right there. Trying to, but we got that buying wick. And they just flipped that candle, so never mind. This is painful to watch right now. Today I had to decide if I'm going to buy 9 more accounts with Apex.
So you've been kind of like talking a lot about Apex. So you just want to fill out your Apex stable over there. So you're just hitting every. So
you can have 20 of them.
And that's the thing, right? So like right now I have 11 PA accounts with Apex, where they max allocate you at 20.
Okay.
So I'm like, do I add another 9, give me that full 20?
I'm with Carmelo. You got to do it, man.
Good question.
And then yeah, and you gotta max all the prop firms. Be doing what you're doing, keeping it up. And then I also say, I know that it's counterintuitive to what you're doing. You should have one funded account that you trade like on special occasions, and you could do like a theme song for it. Where like when you have your A++++, we just bank it.
Man, but that adds a lot of pressure.
Yeah, but,
It's the same pressure.
It's the same pressure, and he'd like it because it's great to like do like a Whopper trade and then just pull it right out. You know, it's like yes, there's something for the prop firms. It's also nice just to use it like an ATM.
That is true. That is true.
And I like I said, do a it could have its own theme song. It could be like a. It would be fun. You'd love it.
Doing.
Yeah, maximize.
Yeah, Moose.
To log into the Tradeify on
Well, here we go.
right? I put a username and I put a password, and it doesn't. It's not it, right? So.
They'll give you the credentials. Apex will give you the credentials to log in.
Like Tradeify did.
Yep.
Where do I find it on my dashboard? You know.
There's that push.
Look on the left-hand side on the tabs.
Yep.
And then I'm not on the Apex dashboard right this second, so I can't. But just it's going to be on the left-hand dashboard. So we finally broke below that VWAP.
Duane is going to be looking for a trade and a flag, ladies.
I am looking for a trade right now.
He wants a flag. Let's see if he's going to have that discipline. Let's go live to the Zoom and watch what happens. It's got like weird sunlight coming from my window, like glary.
Are we going to get a flag right here? Let's see if this candle could stay green. We're consolidating again right here, so.
We're just waiting on that flag because it's coming.
Patiently waiting here. What's up, Red? Patiently waiting.
Wayne desires a beef flag.
Markets are being how the markets like to do. A little bit.
This thing. I'm trying to think every number on anything that looks like a number on the damn page. I've tried already. What are you annoyed?
Let's see if this is going to build us the flag here. Hey, let's go, Red. How's it been working for you? Count on. We'll see if we get this break here. So we just tapped the first target finally from the 15-minute range, which was down here at 685.50. 685.50. Yeah, for me, I may be done trading in a day. This thing's just slow. We don't like the slowness. Because I got to get off right at 11 today. I got to run around before working out today. Let's move this line down. Let's see if this may be giving us the potential bear flag. Hey, let's go, Red. That's awesome. Congrats.
We need a flag, man.
Yeah, we're waiting.
I'll have to look up a video or something because I found the username and the password doesn't work.
Are you copying it or are you typing it?
Copying it. And I typed it as well.
Apex is getting tough. You can't even sign into your account now. I mean, they're copying themselves.
I found the account number. I found the account number and I typed in my password and it's not working.
Do you use the right username?
Yeah, it says username.
Big
the
Moose
account number,
9000.
The username is the account number, right?
No.
What the?
The username is not the account number.
What?
All right, let me jump over here and help this man because
No, it's not the account number. It's basically your account setup, the platform.
I'm logging in. Hold on, Moose. I'm logging into the Apex dashboard here.
They asked me for that I created on Apex as well.
Nope, you don't create a. Hold on. So all you're going to do on your main screen on your Apex account, right? When you're logged in on your Apex, scroll down on the right hand side. You will see user and password.
I'm on the user profile, right?
Yep, you're nope. So you're on your main dashboard. So click the dashboard. So that takes you back to the main dashboard.
Okay.
Scroll down and to the right, if you selected Tradeify, it'll say Tradeify account. It gives you the username and the password right there.
Got it. Okay, because that's what it was. I was putting the Apex, but when it said password, I was putting my own password.
Yeah. So just copy the username and that password right there. Put it in Tradeify. That'll get you logged in.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good, man. You're moose, man. Thank you.
Yeah, but it's so dumb. So I'm beyond the noise. Oh my god, this capture stuff.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's a hell of a flush right there.
That's freaking crazy. I'm so annoyed. I was looking at it. Oh, maybe I'll take a short. And then that happens. Wow.
Okay, something just dropped.
Wow. Wow.
That was a nice consolidation, I guess.
Yeah, I'm done trading for the day. I'm done trading for the day.
Back that much. Seems like Mondays are just a day for it to take its money back.
Well, that was like a rogue pull right there, man.
No, that happened. Trump tweeted something, put something on. Something just happened. Something just happened.
The retail market makers.
Interesting, to say the least. Let's see if something's up on Truth and Act.
Oh my god.
What happened?
After that, you know the capture shit?
Yeah.
You look for the buses, look for this. And after you click on 6 different buses, I click it, it says something went wrong. We cannot finish the authorization process.
Have some more coffee, Moose. Maybe they'll send you something.
Something went wrong. We cannot finish the authorization process. You has not been entitled to access your account. Please log into my dashboard and select app. Okay.
He's like, okay.
Hey, did you see the thing I sent you? If you're looking at your
Hey,
phone,
baby. That's a good question. Because I just looked. I need to double check. But I'll give you Coke. We can put gas in it after. Alright, baby. Okay, no, I think it's for 2:30. I gotta double check. So, I'll double check. Oh, thank you, baby. Love you too. we got a bear flag right there. Do I trust it? Because this is the flag. Yeah, I'm thinking about just maybe we target that second target that we pushed.
What's our
Decisions. The second target was sitting right at, just tapped it right there, 638.50. 638.50 there.
All right, we keep going. Where are we going?
Well, the third target's down at 591. 591's the third target. Just took out Friday's low as well. Look at that crazy wick on that two. Yeah, I'm probably not going to take another trade. I had to get off for 11, and I'm like, if I feel like I'm about to push it when I shouldn't push it.
I don't know. It's starting to feel good, baby.
Maybe for you.
Like you like. Just like you like.
No. Yeah, I ain't. This is for Gian Carmona and Moose. This is what I was talking about on Saturday, right? You get to a certain point when you start feeling uncomfortable. That's where that's how I feel right now. So that's how I know I should not execute another trade.
Now I'm not part of the plan anymore, huh? Because I didn't make that thing. I'm gonna get you, sucker.
No, you're still
on your phone,
no. We were having a conversation. You weren't there for the conversation, so you wouldn't understand.
I'm just having fun.
But this is a certain point that I was telling them. You know when you're getting ready to overtrade when you start feeling uncomfortable.
Yeah. Well, you have to either that or like you have to ice your finger. or like to quote somebody that'll remain nameless, my feet are sweaty.
Oh, that's Moose, by the way, folks.
It is Moose, but you don't know which Moose, so still anonymous.
Steve, the grill looks amazing, bro.
All right.
I did this shit already.
Because you need to start trading with live accounts. It would be the same feeling. Over trading is over trading. Doesn't matter if you're trading a live account or a prop account.
Or I mean, even to go further, even if you're trading a sim, you don't want to be supporting bad habits by overtrade. Oh, it's just a sim. You want to like have everything. Every shot should be. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Eventually, because otherwise you're just gonna not take it.
Well, tonight we got the traders hangout. 9:35 tonight. No, not. What am I talking? 9:30 tonight Eastern time. We got the traders hangout, talking trading, talking life. It's officially 11. I'm gonna be jumping out of here because.
Wait, Alexa, sign him up for Apex.
I'm so mad right now.
Don't be. You didn't lose any money. Don't be mad.
I hate doing repetitive stuff over and over.
I feel that. but you didn't lose anything. That's all that matters. But I gotta get out of here, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed this morning stream. I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. If I don't see you tonight, I'll see you again tomorrow morning to trade once again these crazy New York sessions. Be blessed, everybody, and we'll keep it moving. Legacy, nothing but love, and I'll catch y'all later.
Later, everybody.
See you later.
All right, boys. Have a good one, BP.